This pretty La Union Cafe giving real vibe? Let's check it. We visited Sundown Coffee in LU. Tingnan nyo naman yung interior nila. Talagang IG-worthy spots. Pang cloud chasing talaga. But not just that. We ordered 2 caramel macchiato na worth 210 pesos. And compared sa caramel macchiato ng ibang famous coffee shops, this one tastes so good. And talagang lasang-lasa mo yung kape. We also tried their cheese and bacon loaded fries worth 270 pesos. Sobrang sarap nito. Cheesy and yummy. But not just food, look at these fancy souvenirs from their store. These lovely pins and cute keychains is a great pasalubong sa family and friends ninyo. These bags naman, bagay na bagay sa casual travels ninyo. And look at their tank tops and shirts. I think magko-complement itong mga ito kapag suot nyo while strolling sa beach dito sa LU. No receipt kami this time but inabot kami ng 690 pesos ang total bill. Overall, this is a nice place and everyone is welcome to their store. They offer a really blast menu, apparels, and mga pasalubong. Just note na their prices are a bit high. Pero worth visiting naman yung place. Visit kayo sa place nila if makita ninyo. That's it, finders. Bye-bye!